Welcome to part 2 of the ribbon cake series. This is the filling and frosting part. You'll need a batch of buttercream. I'm making my favorite Italian meringue buttercream. If you'd like to try my recipe that I use for everything from filling, frosting, and decorating, click on the link in the card above or at the end of the video or in the description box of all my videos. You could also get my free Top 5 Buttercream Recipe ebook. That link is also below. This Victorian ribbon cake recipe calls for layers of red jelly. Since I didn't have enough to generously fill these layers, I created my own version of filling by making a strawberry jam buttercream. And I also used it as a thin layer on top of each cake layer. You can add more moisture and flavor using a simple syrup, which I'm doing here. Because who doesn't want more moisture and flavor in a cake? I can't wait to finally slice into this cake in part 3 of this rainbow cake series. This is a crumb coat and is meant to contain any loose crumbs. I colored my INBC with cornflower blue here, and I'm putting a finishing coat on with an offset spatula. There are other ways to finish cakes. I also have videos on those other methods. Join me for part 3, decorating with buttercream flowers. You can also go back to watch part 1, which is baking the ribbon cake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.